Hey guys, let's eat. Meron tayo ditong beef guys. Beef steak tayo for this video. Charot. Meron tayo ditong fries. Yan, ito yung dinner ko ngayon guys. And meron tayo ditong nasi lemak na, what's this baby ko? Is this the lamb?
Lamb.
Meron tayong lamb, lemak. Lamb na nasi lemak guys. So, napakayami nito guys. So, ito yung favorite ko din na nasi lemak, no? Pero this is the lamb. So spicy din ito guys. And meron tayo ditong curry. What's that baby ko?
Lamb.
Lamb also.
But curry.
This one, the curry. The curry. So, bubuksan ko pa to guys para makain na. Sarap ng aking ulam talaga guys. Oh, this is yummy. And meron tayo ditong drinks guys. 7 Up. 7 Up na drinks. Sobrang lamig pa niyan guys. So, let's eat guys. Eat. This is the curry. The curry lamb guys. Right? We call lamb this one. The curry lamb. And ito yung ating egg, cucumber. Akin yung yung matigas na na kutsara. Ayoko nito, plastic. Hindi ako sanay sa plastic, guys. Matagal ako makakain pag plastic. So, buksan natin yung sauce ng ating lemak, guys. This is the sauce. Ito talaga yung masarap, guys.
No need to ready this one. You could take the curry.
Yeah.
But you want to
But I want to taste it. If so hot ba?
No.
So spicy ba?
No.
I mean. Kasi magkaiba sila ng guys. Magkaiba sila ng anghang sa...
You put rice here lah.
Depende sa nagluluto. So sa McDo, sobrang anghang. Iti-taste natin kung ito ba ay sobrang anghang. Not so spicy, baby ko.
This one that's why you cannot put until tomorrow.
Yeah. Ito guys, kailangan uubusin mo na to guys, hindi mo na to makakain bukas. Nakakasakit ng tiyan pag mamaya-mayain mo. And itlog guys. Tapos dito, ganyan mo yung sauce ng nasi lemak mo. Yan. Favorite ko talaga ang nasi lemak guys, no? Ito talaga yung nagpapasarap, oh. Maliliit na dilis. Delicious. Gamitan mo kasi ng kamay. Si Josh, guys, no, ayaw niyang magkamay. Ang arte-arte ng anak ko na itong bata na to. Parang nadudumihan siya pag nagkakamay. Iba naman sa akin. Pero nung bata siya, mahilig siya magkamay.
That's because I had no brain at that time, ma.
Biko, can I have this? Ito guys, yung beef natin. Ay, is this beef lamb?
Lamb.
Lamb pala. Lamb to guys, oh. Yan yung gusto ko, yung may taba-taba. Ang sarap. So, kain tayo guys. Kain na din kayo.